What's going on, y'all, man? Welcome back to another video, man. It is your boy Fatkat bringing you another one, man. So I am here, man. If you can't see, man, I'm here with Destroyer Gray Concrete 392. If you guys haven't seen this car before, it's been in a couple of my videos. Sorry for the win, it just came up. I know you guys always be mad about that, but anyway, here with Concrete 392, man. My dude right there, Paul. 392 is gonna be on the bottom of the screen, of course. Doing a feature on his car today, man. Finally, this car is super dope, man. I put it. He was doing, as we call it, backyard mechanic. The backyard mechanic. Exactly. If you guys haven't seen that video, man, go watch that video. He gutted some cats for somebody else. What is it? Savage 392, right?
Savage 392.
Savage 392. He gutted some of his cats, and then he did it, you know, some other things as far as blacking out the side markers and his wicker bill and diffuser and everything else, man. So go check out that video if you haven't already. But a lot of you guys already know him from that video, and he was like a quick snippet of his car, man. Everybody was like, man, I love that car, I love that contrast. So of course we got to put it on the channel, put it as a whole feature, man. You guys know, man, Christine's back there in the background. I always got to shout her out, man. There go Christine back there. She's special, man. She just, you know what I'm saying? Then obviously we got a modern day muscle. He's over there hanging out, man. Like I said, we're supposed to be heading out to the show in a minute. You guys will see that video in another one. But anyway, man, so without further ado, man, like I said, this is Paul, aka Concrete 392, man. Let's talk about everything you got done to this, man. So first of all, what year is it?
2018 Dodge Charger Daytona 392.
Okay, so 2018 Dodge Charger Daytona 392, man. Yes, so let's go, man. So let's walk about it. So you know what? Let's get the obvious out of the way, man. So when you look at this car, exactly.
You can't miss the brake.
You can't miss it, man. When you look at this car, man, the first thing that stands out is these green calipers, man. So let's talk about how did we get to this point?
So this was a choice between green or orange. Decided to go green, obviously. I just couldn't resist it. Did it myself. Came out clean. Took my time and did it. You know, and product came out very well in the end, you know, and end product came out perfectly. So
there you go. So this was done. This is do it yourself, done at home.
Yep, done at home, right in my garage.
In your garage, and with the soup bowl.
Yep, with the soup bowl.
with the soup bowl of tools.
Oh, yeah.
Hard at work, man. So
yes,
obviously,
sir.
so like I said, man, this came out fantastic, man. Like I said, this is, I mean, obviously the whole car is obviously nice, and he always keeps it clean, by the way.
Just pay attention to the detail where the paint is. I didn't paint certain areas, made sure, you know, that was all covered.
Exactly.
Just take your time and do it. You can do it at home, you know what I mean? Honestly, to be honest.
There you go, man. So that thing came out super clean, super perfect. Like I said, you couldn't ask for much more than that. I mean, I took it to somebody to do mine, as you guys know. Paid a lot more than what he paid for his to do it yourself. But at the end of the day, man, I mean, like I said, that came out.
Yeah, I mean, there's, you know, everyone got their preference.
Right.
So a lot of times I just feel like taking it.
And you know what? And that's appreciated, man. I mean, you know, if I had to be honest, look, I didn't go do mine because I was like, oh, I know they're gonna do a better job, which I knew they were gonna do a great job.
Yeah, of course.
But to be honest, I just didn't have the balls to do it.
Yeah.
Plain and simple. So I commend you for that.
My wife almost passed out, but she came out to see that.
Yeah, exactly, man. So let's talk about the rest, man. So what else we got done to it? Obviously, it's Destroyer Gray.
Destroyer Gray. I've got the turn signals all smoked out.
Okay.
Now the lip kit that's on the car. This is SBS Performance.
SBS Performance.
Yeah, it's the front splitter. It goes with the side skirts and around the rails.
Okay.
Full lip kit.
Oh, so it's the full kit from SBS.
SBS Performance.
Oh, okay, you got the 2019 nostrils.
Top and bottom grill, which was installed by myself also.
Okay.
I just wanted a new, you know, just a facelift. I just think it looks a lot cleaner.
Hey, I like it too. A lot of people was hating on it when it first came out.
I was not a fan of it when it first came out. You know what? It's on my car now.
Yeah, exactly, right. It grows on you a little bit.
Yeah, definitely. So.
And we see you got the
support rods.
We got the support rods, but I'm saying, as far as options of the car, you got the front end detection and all that.
The radar cruise. That's the radar cruise, the lane keep assist. You know.
There you go.
It's pretty low sharp place. It really helps. Now, also this car came with black vinyl, as you can see. It has the Emmy on the hood.
Right.
This is a Daytona option.
Right.
And the roof also came black. The A pillar to the C pillar.
Nice. Just to blend it all in.
Yeah, blended in. Made it. I just wanted to keep it that. Black top,
Right. Super clean, man.
Yeah. So you know.
Super clean. So that's a wrap.
That's a vinyl wrap, yeah.
It's a vinyl wrap.
Yep.
You did it yourself too?
Nah, I didn't do that much. That right there take technique. Look at that cut.
Yeah, that's precise, man. Super precise. Look at that. And it all blends in, man.
Yeah, exactly. And obviously, like I said, it has a Daytona badging, so they go right there, get on the back. It flows right from the front to the rear to the roof, you know.
Yep.
I added little details like this American flag, you know. I just felt like it's an American car. I just wanted to, you know, kind of represent for America, you know. American cars and muscle cars, so.
Right. But you are, because it was asking me in the video.
That into big one.
You are Trinity. You are Trinity. Okay. Because people was
big up.
Because it was like, yo, who's Trinity? Who's Trinity? Who got that Trinity flag?
That's me, man.
Yeah. Alright, so let's go on.
Now, I went ahead and smoked the taillights out. This is a Lux Autumn. And a friend of mine gave me this actually, where it says Daytona. It's pretty cool with the feature. It lights up. When you unlock the car, it lights up as Daytona at nighttime. So that's a little. I just like the addition that gave me. It was real nice. See it going down.
Yeah, because it caught my attention.
Now this right here, I just added this rear diffuser, which I had the identical rear diffuser before, but it just didn't have this light. So this is on the previous video, you saw me removing it, and I gave it to Savage 392.
Right.
I put it on his car. I ordered myself a new one with the light. I just felt like, you know, I wanted to try something new. I saw it was available.
I like that, man.
Yeah, so I just added this piece right here. It's a rear diffuser, and this is from oh man, what the heck is that company called? I'll tell you. Once it come back to me. But
so how much is that? Because we know when normal diffusers cost. What did this one run you? Oh shit, nothing. Nothing. 150.
Yeah.
Nothing, man. Are those the original tips? Why your tips look bigger than mine, man?
I don't know, man.
Yo, his car looks lower than mine. His tips
Hey,
look
you know
bigger
what?
than mine.
I think your tips is just a little bit lower than mine. That's what it might be.
It might be that too.
Yeah. Notice my tips are a little bit further up.
Yeah.
So yeah. So move on.
I gotta change that, by the way.
I do have different. These are some new tires I just added. AZ 850s, the Arturo AZ 850s. It's like the go-to tire if you have a Dodge Charger.
Right.
Like everyone uses it.
What size are these?
275,
okay, 275,
20.
Yep, seen that.
And if you notice, my car has a wider stance than you'll see on a regular Charger.
Right.
It's like way out there. You know, it's like very close to the rear fender.
Right.
I am running a 20 millimeter spacer. On
20 millimeter spacer.
Yeah, it goes right there. That 20 millimeter spacer right there.
Look at that.
It did require some, you know, a little bit of
ingenuity.
Yeah, you know, I had to make it work. It worked. You know what I mean? So
that's good to know though, because you say that, and then people are gonna go buy 20 millimeter and think they could just do it.
Yeah, exactly.
So it doesn't just go on. So you got to do some modifications for it.
So you got to do a little modification for it to work.
Okay.
But if you want to just run a spacer 12 millimeter, you should be fine. A lot of my friends run 12 millimeter safely. 12
millimeter safely, and it's good to go. I run 10 on mine, and people be like, "Yo, is it?" I'm like, "Yeah, I got 5.5 turns."
Yeah.
So 12 millimeter, I have heard people run 12 millimeter with no problems, but 20 millimeter is.
Now, well, 20. This is actually an adapter, so it's not a spacer like before. Yeah, it's an adapter. So this actually has like its own studs afterwards.
Gotcha.
Yeah, it bolts down and then it has its own studs.
I know what you're talking about. I know what you're saying. I've seen that.
It's actually a safer way to run spaces. It's an adapter. I mean, it's give or take. It depends. It's all preference.
Right.
You know?
But it's 20 millimeter. He's making it work. It's safe on his.
Yeah.
I mean, like I said, but you can't just throw it on there. You got to do some modifications. If you guys want to know, man, hit him up on DMs. You know what I'm saying?
Concrete 392.
And he'll let you know all about as far as what you actually need to do to go ahead and make it run, but or make it work. Anyway, man. So this is pretty much the same as on the other side. Then you got the stock wheels, obviously, right? The stock wheels.
Yep. Tinted out. Pretty much 30% every window, windshield, everything. 30%.
30%, even the front.
Might not be legal. But it's tinted windshield.
Man, we don't worry about that, bro. 30% is on the sides too?
Yeah.
Damn,
it looks pretty dark though.
Yeah, it looks pretty dark. Yeah, it does.
Because every glass is the same percentage.
I think, well, mine's a 15 on the sides and then 30 in the front.
Oh, wow.
So
that's pretty damn dark too.
Usually I do 5% on the sides and 30 in the front. But I did the 15s because it came from the dealership like that. So I didn't mess with it. Anyway, man, so it's dope, man. You got anything done to the inside?
Nah, the inside is pretty stock. It's got the Daytona interior, which is for the 2018. The Daytona interior has this gold like stitching piping.
Right.
Yeah.
Hey, and by the way, since we in here, man, you guys see this camera, right?
Yes,
y'all see that camera, right?
See that coming.
Y'all see that camera, right? So go ahead and while we there, man, let's do this intermission. Let's go and shout everything out, man.
Follow me on YouTube. I'm just starting my new YouTube. Follow me on YouTube. Hit that like, subscribe button. Woman.Driven. All right, keep that in mind.
Spell it out for them. Spell it out for them just in case.
GAREAGE DRIVEN. F-E-E-N.
Cause you got some people that probably may not have finished school or something, might be a little bit, they might be a little behind. Nah, I'm just playing, man. But anyway, we want to make sure you get the right spelling so they know how to get it out there. Y'all know it's gonna be on the bottom of the screen as well.
No, I'll show you under the hood. I got
okay.
Little
you know what? Yeah, we gonna say something else about that too, about your under the hood. About your under the hood.
Alright.
Yeah, look at that.
Yep, just a little bit of green accents, nothing crazy. I didn't want to go too green heavy, but just want.
But it's just enough, man, and it matches well with your calipers when you go to the shows or to the meets and all that. Everything ties in well together.
And everyone knows if you got a charger, you gotta have a catch can.
There you go.
Gotta have that catch can.
Dope, man. This is nice. This is nice, man. So I will say this. So I don't know if you guys remember, man, my video. If you haven't went back to a video or seen all my videos, there's a video that we went to Diablo Sport Horsepower Wars. He claims his car is stock, right? My car is stock. Jordan's, right? Jordan's, aka modern day muscle, right? Is stock. Other than, small little whatever intakes and things like that, right? But nothing major. We all ran our car on the dyno, right? I think mind you, on the dyno it's to the wheels, right? So we're talking about horsepower to the wheels. I think mine had about a 420. Yours had what? 414. So I think I was right around there. But this guy ran a what?
440. 440, man.
There's no way this dude ran 440. He talking about
this thing must have picked up some miracle horsepower. I'm sorry.
He said 440 and he's completely stock like everybody else. But with that being said, modern day muscle said he's ran him a couple times. And what happened? And what happened in those runs?
It was a friendly race, but I came out on top. It was a friendly race. We raced for fun. It
was a friendly match.
Yeah. But on the track, what I will say is that it was super hot, and I think there was something off that day.
I had a little bit too much fun the night before. My reaction time was just way off.
I
was drinking a little bit too much.
Is that what happened?
I woke up early and I still was like on a hangover. So
we just raced for fun.
Of course. Yeah, there's nothing to it.
It was a good day,
but I was just saying though, I don't know how this car pulled a 440 stock. He was like, I don't know, and he didn't put it back up after that. He was like, I'm done. He was like, I'm taking my numbers and I'm running.
I know, I should have ran it another time just to see.
But he ran a 440, man, and like I said, everybody else that was stock was pretty much within 5 or 10 horsepower within each other. So he jumped up.
The first pole was 439, second pole was 440.
That's crazy, yeah.
I don't know.
Anyway, man, if you haven't, I don't know if I got your car, and I don't know if I got your numbers in there. I think I got your car pulling. But anyway, man, so go on there, man. If you haven't seen that, he's on there as well. Like I said, it's a Horsepower Wars, a Diablo Sport Horsepower Wars. He's on there too. Like I said, his car, according to the machine, and according to the numbers, man, his car pulled a 440 stock. So we'll see what happens, man. But anyway.
No, I think he did something in his garage.
Yeah, he is the backyard mechanic.
Garage driven.
Garage driven. All right, man. So that's my dude, man. Again, my dude Paul, man. Concrete 392, man. Make sure y'all go check him out. It's gonna be on the bottom of the screen, of course, the description. YouTube, man. Say one more time, man.
Garage driven.
Garage driven.
Garage driven.
There you go, man. So make sure y'all go follow him. He just started. So he's obviously, man, so let's go show him a lot of love and everything else. Again, his Instagram got dope pictures and everything else in there, man. Anyway, so y'all know, man, again, there you go right there, man. That car is super dope, man, super lovely. Anyway, hope y'all enjoyed the video. I didn't mean to cut you out. Hope y'all enjoyed the video, man. Again, appreciate it. Appreciate him for for letting me do this. We're heading out.
Doing it for me, man.
Nah, it's all love, man. And because we actually run a little bit late because we're about to head to this show or this meet. You guys gonna see in the next video. But anyway, man, so we're about to head to that right now. Go kill that over there, and then and then call it a night. But anyway, like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, of course, as always. Make sure you guys don't want to miss what's gonna happen with Christina. As I always say, got a lot of planned things for the summer, man. But anyway, other than that, again, appreciate him. Again, like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, man. Like I always say, we see you on the next one, man. Later.